Yo, 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 it's David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2017 Infiniti Q60 Premium all-wheel drive in super black, powered by the 3-liter twin-turboed V6 engine underneath the hood. This is a two-door coupe that has really striking looks. This is a very nice little car. Come to the front here, you'll have projector style HID headlamps, light up the road in front of you, LED running lights. This even has HID fog lamps. The Infiniti badge there in the middle, looking good. A bit of chrome, I like that. Aggressive styling, it's very unique. Come to the side here, this Infiniti Q60 is running on 19-inch rims, and the tires are Dunlop mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction. This has alloy rims and 4-wheel disc brakes all around. 3.0T badges on the sides, that's representing what engine this car has. And both driver and passenger side door mirrors have built-in LED turn signal lights. These are breakaway mirrors, and under both the mirrors there are cameras. Always handy to have a camera. There's chrome on the door handles, which is very nice. This does have the proximity key fob, so when you're done with the Infiniti, you have a key fob on you. You can always just press that button right there to lock up the Infiniti when you're done with it. Here is the driver's side door. There's nice leather padding right here for your arm to rest on. It is a rainy day today. Storage down below. Absolutely beautiful styling, looking really good. This does have the Bose Performance Series sound system. Puts out exceptional sound quality. This does have driver's seat presets. You can save up to 2 presets, and by the push of a button, the driver's seat will adjust to your preset settings. This has power mirrors. Both windows are automatic and power locks, and there's a window lock right there too. Beautiful Infiniti badge right here, looking very good. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support. This has leather seats throughout, adjustable headrests on the front seats, and this does have a power sunroof up top, auto dimming rear view mirror. This has a leather wrapped steering wheel, feels great in your hands. This is a power tilting steering wheel. You move it forward, backwards, up, or down. There's a directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. You have your different buttons there too. This has automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it. There's 2 big cup holders in the middle here. Nice leather padding for an arm to rest on. Open this up. There's nice materials in here. There's a power outlet. Always handy to have a power outlet. There's 2 USB ports in here. There's an SD card port. There's an auxiliary port. And the driver's seat does move forward very easily. So right here is the handle. Just pull it like this, and it puts the backrest forward. Then you can press this button right here, and then electronically the seat will move forward so people can get into the back seat area, which is really cool. Like, look at this. I've never seen this in a coupe before. There's a pocket on the back of the driver's seat. There's 2 big cup holders in the middle. A little spot there for some things. There's hooks so you can set up a child seat, and a good amount of space in the back seat area. And there's also leather padding as well, and it feels really good. I have to move this back, very easy. Go like this, and then press the button again, and the driver's seat will go back like so. There you go. Then we can just put the seatbelt back on there. For safety, there's airbags built into the front seats. Excellent. Look what happens when I close the door here. So when you open the doors, the window actually goes down a little bit, and it'll go back up when you close it. Neat. This does have tinted windows. Of course, this does have a rear window defroster. There's dual exhaust tips out the back with chrome around them. Beautiful badging, Infiniti Q60 all-wheel drive. This has LED tail lamps, and there is a backup camera right there. If the Infiniti Q60 is unlocked, you can just go right here and press this button and it'll pop open the trunk for you. Boom, just like that. Lots of space in the trunk for many different things. You want to put luggage back here, some groceries, some drinks, you know, going to a party in your Q60. Lots of space back here for anything you need. And right here, there's some goodies. You have wheel locks and space for some more things. Awesome. And this easily comes down just like that. You'll find dots like this on the front bumper as well. Those are parking sensors. So you have parking sensors front and back on the Infiniti here. So that's what those dots are. You can lock up the Infiniti by pressing that button there as well. Open up the door here. Again, nice leather padding, storage down below, power window switch, power locks, beautiful styling, unique stitching. Passenger seat is fully powered as well, same as the driver's side. This is electronic. And there's a pocket on the back of the passenger seat too. You'll notice on the dash here, the beautiful stitching. This is leather padding here too. Great style. Directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. And there's a lower glove box here with a manual. Nice materials. And you can lock the lower glove box if you have important documents you want to keep in here. And this does have heavy duty mats throughout. Let's hop inside and take a closer look at this Q60 right now. This is the Infiniti Key Fob. There's a nice Infiniti logo on it. This is small and it fits nicely in your pocket. This has an unlock button, lock button, panic button. Hold this button here, that'll pop open the trunk. And this does have remote start, which is a fantastic feature to have in the wintertime to get inside. You know, you can use the door handles, or you can just hit the unlock button here. You can keep this in your pocket, or you can put it down below here in one of the cup holders. All you gotta do is put your foot on the brake down below, go over to the side here, and press the push button, start button. Now, one thing I want to show you quickly as I start up this Infiniti is that this does have blind spot radar. So if there is someone in your blind spot, there are little lights right here that will light up to warn you that someone's in your blind spot. And they come on briefly to let you know that the system is working when you start the car. So here we go. There it is. Excellent. Check out the gauges. They look very nice. Nice Infiniti badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It's a very loud horn. On the left side of the steering wheel here are steering wheel mounted audio controls. This car does have voice recognition.
You can interrupt voice prompts and speak a command immediately by pushing the talk switch. You can also use the up-down switch on the steering wheel to select an item from the displayed list. Please say or select a command.
And this Infiniti Q60 only has 19,183 kilometers on it. That is not bad at all, so definitely come check out this car. And using buttons on the right side of the steering wheel right here, we can go through the driver information center. And the first thing you'll see is that it tells you your fuel range, your average vehicle speed, you have a trip calculator, and it also tells you how long you've been driving for. You have your fuel economy, a compass, audio center, your driving aids, tire pressures for all 4 tires, they appear while you're driving, your chassis control, a blank screen, service area, warning center, and fuel range again. Excellent. And of course, this does have adaptive cruise control. You can turn it on right here, and this has forward collision warning. And of course, you have your parking sensors. Sweet. Directional air vents in the middle here, which you can easily adjust. If I put the Q60 into reverse, the mirrors tilt down so you can see the road a little bit better, and the backup camera appears on the upper touchscreen here. Gives you a great view, and there's a surround view. Go change view, and then it gives you a view of the side, and then you can go back. And don't forget, this does have parking sensors, and this does have manual shift mode right here. Down here, there is a little ashtray, maybe. No, I wouldn't say that's an ashtray. It's got nice materials in there, so don't use it as an ashtray. But a cell phone holder, that's what you can use it for. And there's a power outlet in here. Fantastic. This does have heated seats, and you can turn them on right here, and there's different settings for both. You can have them on auto, you can have them on high, mid-range, low, or off. Same goes for the passenger, auto, high, mid-range, low, or off. This has GPS navigation. Put in the address, I'll show you how to get to where you want to go. And you can zoom in and out on the map by using this knob right here. Very neat. And down here it tells you what the temperatures are set at for the dual climate control. And there's physical buttons on both sides here. So driver's temperature, passenger temperature, recirculate button, front defrost, rear window defroster, adjust where you want the air to go, adjust your fan speed. This does have the auto feature, which allows the Infiniti to adjust your climate control for you. Press this button here, climate. You adjust the climate on the lower touchscreen here, so you can adjust your fan speed very easily. You have a heated steering wheel. That's excellent. You can turn off dual or turn on dual. This here adjusts where you can have the air go, which is super cool. You got your audio area here, and this has FM radio, AM radio, Sirius XM, iPod. So let's go on FM here. Great sound quality through the speakers. Definitely rock out, have a good time inside this Infiniti. It tells you the song and the artist in the middle of the screen right here. Let's take another listen. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, so good. Turn it back down just like this. Press that button there, I'll turn it off. Presets down below. Easily set a preset with your finger here. Just hold it. And here you go. Store station. Cool. And you can delete presets. That's very neat. Go home here. So, here we go. So, driver assistance. Forward collision warning. Lane assist. Blind spot assist. Emergency assist. Sweet. There's a large clock right here. How cool is that? And there's different views. Also tells you the date. What? You have email, a compass, a calendar, driving performance. So, your fuel flow, acceleration. What else you got there? That's crazy. Tons of information here. Let's go back. Got your app garage, Infiniti drive mode selector. There you go. You can also go down here and you can select different drive modes. So on the screen you got standard mode, sport mode, personal mode, snow mode, and it has an eco mode, and that's sweet. Bluetooth area here, you can pair up to 5 devices, and of course you make hands-free calls to those devices and also play music off those Bluetooth devices. And you have in-touch services here, connect to menu, my schedule, settings right here, bass, treble, balance, fade, volume adjustment, and this does have a night mode, so this is the night mode, and you can actually adjust the brightness. Not to worry, you can always go back to daytime mode, just like this. There's so much built into this system. How cool is this system? It is so cool. I absolutely love the styling touches here. They look so nice. Access the cameras whenever you want just by pressing this button here. It'll come up. Access GPS navigation by pressing that button whenever you want. Go map, and you can choose actually different views of the map. Very neat. There's a sunglasses holder up here. There's LED interior lighting. Turn on only interior lighting just like this. Right here is a switch for the power sunroof, so you can easily open that up. There's fold down sun visors with convenience mirrors, with convenience lights, so you can see what you look like at nighttime. Programmable garage door opener built into the mirror there. This is an absolutely beautiful car that you need to come see in person to fully experience just how beautiful and how great it is. It is very nice, and I'm very pleased with Infiniti. They did a great job with this car. It's the 2017 Infiniti Q60 Premium all-wheel drive in super black, powered by the 3-liter twin-turbo V6 engine underneath the hood. Want to make people's heads turn? This car will. Come check it out at Crosstown today. Iron Man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.